Okay guys, how are y'all? Happy Saturday. So glad you're here. I just got some Happy Mail and I thought I would share with y'all what I got. Yes, invite. Here we go. Invite. Just hitting just about everybody I could think of here. Okay, good enough. Anyway, glad y'all are here, and I'm fixing to open up my box I got in the mail. Hey! I'm so excited about these new products. I got these. Y'all will be able to purchase these, I believe, on Monday. But I've been posting about it in my Facebook groups and putting up descriptions and previews. I know a lot of people are probably out doing Easter egg hunts. I have actually never done an Easter egg hunt, so I don't really get the appeal. Anyway, I got these new lookbooks that show you all the new spring products. If you want one, just let me know. They give you, looks to model after if you're wanting to do that, and then the products that they use to achieve those looks. I'm really interested in the green. I don't know how that's gonna look on me, but look. Anyway, I have these for y'all if y'all want any. Ooh, so pretty. Look at the lip glosses. Now they come in full size. I got the minis. Look at the packaging, y'all. It's all springy and pretty. Okay. This has... can't remember all the names. But anyway, oh, look at the purples. Some pretty purple glosses. Off of here. Look at this box. Oh, look. And then it folds back. And it makes a little display. Spirit. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is my little office where I keep my computer. Here is Smile. Inspire. Humble. Happy. Courage. See that weird. And last one is Pride. It's a really pretty red. I'm gonna have to try that one out. Looky here is the eyeshadows. So pretty. Oh, these are labeled. Oh no! No, one of my eyeshadows fell out. got the shaving cream, which it says it's for men, but anybody can use it, and I'm going to. Hi Colin, you're on live TV.
What?
You're on my live video. Okay, and this was developed by the L'Occitane collaboration, and it's in a metal tube, and they sell a key to help you turn it so you can get every little bit out of this, but I'm excited to try this. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, just leave them for me here, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.